Gray blending used to be a trend a few years ago. Now it's becoming more demanding in salons. It become a very important and useful service that most salons, they need to offer it. So if you don't offer the French blending services yet, please look into learning it and offering it, because this is the new future. As a hair colorist for 35 years behind the chair, I tried many different lighteners from different brands. But when I became L'Oréal creative contributor, I tried their amazing Blonde Studio 9. Don't underestimate this lightener. Try it for yourself. You know, the lift you get is so clean. There is no bands at all, but make sure you use it with 20 volume. So go ahead and try it and send me a thank you note. If you as an artist, you follow my Instagram account and you love my transformations and you really want to be good at those transformations, but you cannot find a way to learn, please join me on April 19th in New York, whether it's online or in person, to learn the technique about the French blending. If you as a colorist new to L'Oréal product, I will advise you exactly how I did myself in my salon. Product knowledge is very important, but do not use it first on a human head. Make sure you get a human natural hair strands and test all the L'Oréal product on these, especially the colors on these strands, to make sure you know the processing, you know the toning. Product knowledge is your key for success.
Welcome to the stage, Jack Martin.
Are you ready to see the models? Many years of dark color, as you see. Look at her roots and look at how dark is the color. And look how beautiful is the blending.
Wow.
Jess is the retouch model, you know, the retouch blending. As you see, look at her roots, how starting to gray, and she has years of dark hair. Look at this, look at the shine. And don't underestimate the Blonde Studio 9, guys, honestly. The first 25 years, I never seen a client cries in my chair. The last 10 years, every single client cries. It's like, what's going on here? My goodness gracious. And they call gray hair is old. Come on, look at her. Is it?